Meaning of delegation.
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 Delegation. Delegation refers to the act of assigning tasks or responsibilities to another person or group. The purpose of delegation is to share workloads and facilitate effective time management. Delegating tasks can also allow individuals to focus on their strengths, while others handle areas where they may have less expertise. Effective delegation can result in increased productivity, better quality work, and increased levels of job satisfaction. However, poor delegation can lead to confusion, frustration, and lower morale. It is important to delegate tasks effectively and maintain clear communication throughout the process.